possibilities.
ESSUMAN pay na wa pay there ewia bobo na enyama yankopon wo bede di pefe ma mensan yin nwuda mpa sebo ade na odi ni wiade ma ope na oye ono na ocheda ade nchi ocheda ade nsa na enda so bo ade ne pe na dum ozen kwana wodena na bopa wa me kana wote ebe papa god wona sia papa god wona sia say ye da wasa na osafata osande wo pe no nye ho na we humo bolitim woda ye da wase mpempede de ne du dempo anhwe ye ne bono na mfa nchan eda chen modo eda chen modo eda chen modo eda chen modo impo abane de se nkekawo do mpa eja nkekawo na sincha na made egbe na che de ende de su yamfa na do wo me bia no yamfa ye adwuma mfa nhye wo yimnyam ndodman ko baade anepe wo ma ye da wase na ebusia mamo akwa ba mamo atenase abacosta television they get 514 channel 54 you go tv do yes it is our DSTV channel 54 wodo ebusia ko kaskan on saba o ana on saba kan wo channel 22 ya ada tab box biara aka tab box biara wa ebusia search costa television Facebook ya live YouTube see a lie. It will be shame Fibiano. Momo akwaba na mamo atenasa. Mama kan fa mo under central focus. Central focus. Wakunum from Monday to Friday between the hours of 7 to 8 p.m. No no. Ina ya shefin fi man tonu puntu na kanko. Ogwa puntu na kanko. No man na. Mroba yama aba ya to no mfaso abato no mfaso me chana sna cake no wore cha enso fa ti ndama na esisi na yim ya hwe yene wumasua ne mpampede orokọ yene apomedin bebe kudu yene wansa o ya babo yele yigene chi se sere ye gyan wansa chi amana Ghana no ye gyan wansa we chi ya me ifi edi yan donkwe so on kawada madase on kawada mbe papa bo madam ndemanya ya papa ye yi na kwa awe wo yisum na abatin ase de bia ye ba ye boho abatin ase na nya ye tase wi a na chi enyi jesam abahye hina ebusia ne panta no fast da edwumoku a wa ho ne pere ho na adom ana pe bia wo hye hina asen na wode ehihye mapa wode bo hina tibam wo pia yin da ko ahode no wo no wa na sedano yadrema oye king of the universe that can call what building materialism king of the universe na king of the universe today so adense wonder ma e be sidan fit foundation dikise roof de de ewo ebenya ma ochendam na king of the universe de we na epe oye foot mechre conduit na cables a edeba connect that na enya za no the universe but supply o echi we are floor tiles na walls ni na no king of the universe paint papa ba for dano do ye motion oye paint ni na of the universe aba odemusom kokra ebusua ye kenko obede materials minti na soye no bi wo oye Cape Coast highway Cape Coast to Accra highway no mechre regional house of chiefs city pepepe satintinu so king of the one soye the man so na king of the universe asoye kru oye abra stadium na junction do pe anaso eifua bufum modase abasatintinu so king of the universe asoye kru so yin ebusia anepe asenani bisu koma oye King Queen restaurant and pub King teniye King and Queen nata ohimba na waka bom be restaurant and papa ahoden somenyen etiban nansa binya anno binya di mandama koye da Sunday etibade bi koyimun anno yes nti say anope abbo breakfast ma mfifi wa na nguda mpa King Queen restaurant and pub na was serve breakfast lunch apa fakada no koko anape awo peti ebusia ba serve kama da ma wo oye abura school no gate na cha wo pe nti abura Cape Coast abura aked rise the king gate ni cha wo pe eho na King Queen tempap wash ebusia fa sedel ma oye dessert gift shop also tade na charge dessert de a chede be na pred mo do fa on sesiem fa mo do ya atar ntan famade mpeyinfo mesiafo mrantie nketesia ambere nkokora anampo epekara atase anumpo dessert obashishan kama na ama edakacha wodofa otedem ebi di birthday ana special occasion epedeche mo wuna nnuadan na yankodon wo ho a faka dessert gift shop wo oye intermittent traffic light na so pe intermittent traffic light na so me check pedu pedu intermittent traffic light ana pedu estate traffic light na so pe e ho ne dessert gift shop and washa ahoden no ayekase ebusia yemfa senen bisuma oye NPA National Petroleum Authority also use gas. Yes, use gas de affordable ampa gas de bebe ya e be gas na o chere so ma sadwa ifie ntopan economical nti ya ifie ntopan ya this you see jera come on na muna bin ana twitwa banche nguma come on wa bin na yakwenyim atase iti MP also to use gas ebusia yem fast na bisuma oye finger linking and fast food and catering services madase finger linking fast food and catering services edimo Ediban osididi edibana osididi mo ahom kan wo ankafo school junction ana school park junction ehwo na wo hye ana kwa pro na ankafo junction no do ehwo finger link fast food wo sha wo da no wo da boso na say yeda da mo edimoku yasa na pay yensu kurima na anya hwede New Patriotic Party NPP New Patriotic Party NPP wo kwato aba ya me yadoma me ndo rebe oboto aba wo oye mpanyimfo enum da mpanyimfo enum na wode won nsam nya agu nkata do na wa hyase wa bontua fiti baye busume ba san abase no ko afi abase ko wa bontua o man ga na fa na da mpanyimfo enum na bia ko ho wakakana sama kire police station executives, constituency executives, regional executives, and our patrons, former apprentices. Na mo confirm na boto abani bi. Na say ye hwe de mpemfi number 1 oye Owura Honorable Kennedy akompra kwa Japan. Number 2 Owa Bernard Champan. Number 3 Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Baumia. Number 4 Honorable Kobeje Japan engineer. Number 5 Dr. Educhum. The man pay friend me na wo kwande yeto aba ana MPP fo to aba wote mo bia na so nyepa kote na obutu franka na dama oye MPP amanyeku na se nyepa kote na obutu franka na dama MPP amanyeku a na yibisa de chogbe bebebe nyan na sinda chogbe no hobei bebebe ina no owie dat iti abato no barume mende ya na Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly kwanchefu peina osha aba komisa meche yisi boss owu asensu onye security agencies a wo Cape Coast a wasamanye de yantina ho masabu tafete a mfofo ondan kwai ehihye bi wo a MPP amanye ku na woda ba wodre boto aban na sadame hihye no wo a no obi ye da madan samchofo womra party executives womra ino yi pulling agent a wo bo support won nkofo oboto abama won obi amra na yemfa da menhihye no yemfa nto ho nanyim na afransem trofo dead da menhihye oboto ho nanyim a yiwie ya elemu ntwa mo ye recording na kwa ye kran no mfaso onye obian yes na kwa ye kran no mfaso onye obian yintebi yebotu ya kirew ne moment ya recording the voice and a video iti ya ba ya ka yinyi video bia yes yinyi footage bia yambo audio bia but ya ka wasam ne ya case de sa MPP amanyeku wa boto abana amanyeku na wode hihye de bre abatu komisere wonjire wunti da ni bisa abatu komisa wonaduma woyen no ho faso nyobien sa MPP amanyeku na wode hihye wode bre letter commission de letter commission nya ba ya boto ma heye pede awu letter commission aja mahinyi iti bi se letter commission there ejuma na ho woyen aba hihye na wode to aba anosun sise ya letter commission offer do to na aba no so sise ya MPP amanyeku da ma letter commission na ebusia yama onu nkada na ni na bewie yi nkomotwetwe nya ba ewie wo toto mpemfa obokwa kwato abo wenyim nsamchofo mo ho pede ahenye yamahon nemom nyema wapira ahensa nchofo ye ba yamahon mawa MPP amanye ku wapira ahensa nchofo ye yamahon waka kire ye be na mamahon nemom maye pede ye yamahon ye Nensem treatment sa ye nbrada ho nti se odu baby na ma ka no mbran oldmo kwachewa me yo ye yes ana olum pem baby tina usanda sabra men hye na mendido na hye no onye mbra ode adwuma no ho onye na mfa me ya onye ye You will keep Coast Metropolitan Assembly. And I keep Coast Metropolitan Assembly. Watch me bien. You will keep Coast North and South. North and South. And now South and North. It is a better accreditation. Not some far. Me bega na se mo ke kosu no fa oda no fa na metenan oda no fa na mamuntu mu nko ke ko south mu nko hwe ho so about no nkodo nti mo south anan muntu nan sam wo no fa nan muntu nan how it is a mini accreditation. Na accreditation watch out do keep question of pie muntu mfa ntra south. Ana mfa ntra nko commended na egwa Ibrahim. Keyi. Ana muntu mfa ntra nko AAK. Ni chebe yim na se for the accreditation one more accreditation for primaries 2026 primaries 31st January. In terms of St. John, what accreditation on the month? It took the Kobebia. Kobebela, or do one law would say, na letter commission. Presiding officer, no one, or no to move. In such a some of them watch the Cape Coast no far. Motoko commended no graphic Briman, yet, presiding member no one, another Yisi was on, you know, Makasa. Because Matagana without Mamano, only kept north, only kept coast south. How? What be a Juma ya a Jumana ya no, oh yeah, an answer, oh yeah, movement. Yen Trafakwe. It is a Mokaya, Muntu Mumake Coast. How? Hey, Edna, hey, nti ebushafo ne doni na yaboshe yakawasam yehwe kona ho bafado no ya accreditation amen yakawasam odi tuma afa wanya ntuma henso yaboshe kona edi bafado ya he adwuma fefefe bebiara nkaba bia no mbasam nti yaboshe namara na washa yebo sa national accreditation number Friday Yisi nala kona bafada obo providing na accreditation we providing ntaye semchoyi na se wonsan ka accreditation na the station ID edo kwa wontel na e won ka se Patriotic Party NPP one back one Bible video onye me watu nti molu be ya wa hwenu ta freche yihunu bi de ebusia omboman omboko de fomboko nta wa so fonu fomboko na bibiara nya asomje boko yes o fomboko nta wa so kura fonu fomboko na fanye duma na sa we a delegate tem ebi a won kan kirawo be wiala na wa ma mobile phone no fa nko bebi abukwa ka jibara pepempo ni dim na enter na wa bi mobile phone ato ko den kita ID card man kare ya party chairman man kare party secretary enti one more kwan wa ka jadi wada modo to abo dana card abado mo hianye be ikita card or identification no mo health insurance nkan enti damna ha oti nkoma anada road wa Bakano Police Command AS Christian Padu, yes, Apadu, Madasi. AS Christian Apadu, yeah, that's the name. Kano Commander, Yadawasi, and you paying for by UCC Commander by Kotok Abra Commander, Yadahunas, Umane. Na Yada Urasan Kunaso, Ketusinya so Yadahu. Now, Ebusia after conversation, na ewie mo there no wasi nhihia wo da bana ebedi no Coastal Television secretary wo NPP Cape North Mr. Emmanuel Ibusaba ye ne bonkomo da nhihia ho mo party ne da ban man sense no penfi oro kodan wo grassroots na wo kwato aban na ba kwampo na obafa busy the muduma otedam no honorable another owura Emmanuel Ebu twetwan na twetwen nsema okene bi ya hwamra
nkan mintia etefu na ahwefo oye election aye beye oye memenda 31st January party na ze ye ze biara on day ze se that happen na ye wanyi sum day oye 31st no obaya asomdwe pepepe na yen ye je party mezi so ampa da ofibe to be no ya nsam ekor ebmbcc but ye yimle ni na ye wi ye tum ye kan yambum na ye make sure so that the men some kra na ebe no osisi no so oren katrado na Cape Coast North in particular yen no say aye ni na ye busua kru no mumba na egu ato na Europe at the point obi abetre na atwa na yen bebe yeti di yemu na bibia abokoko wi tutujo na asonjo so papa da man ya ye nyoto ye besia oye security committee nsese odo wodo to bia oye nsese ye nyime dada na ye so mo ye fe dada na ye wanyi sum so da ekuru so ye beye ndama oye memenda wase wore hyase na nopa beye 7 by 2 o'clock na ya happen na ubia so bottle dem nsese ente ebe bottle wia eko say party candidate bia so won agent a ihe angasa no ya ye nsese so ko de eba canopies bibia wo ba won na wore twan wo botwan wo at a distance wore mba center ho a obey na mum ye tu wie na wo botu na wore ba kan wa aboboza obibia ba na ya ye mo ayefe na ye wie a ye nyimde nkuyimze ba ye MPP nkuyimze de obo wi ni biara oye candidate say num na wo kɔ no obiara safete ihe na ye wo gizi de wo mu bi obo wi ni biara no onya za ndisi candidate bia botumen nti abato ye kɔto na oye de ma ihe ye kɔ ebusia meeting because obo wi ni biara no ye de no toto NDC ni biara obi enyi obotu nti ihan we nyusum na obey victory for the MPP party.
Sir candidate na MPP fu be yinin wadana to NDC candidate be obabia ontumin we Emmanuel Ebo Saba na asemi yes Ebo Saba na asemi candidate a wo be yinin wadana to NDC wadana to NDC candidate oba obi aluntumin also wadana to NDC candidate be obi aluntum na ta so be ye honorable Kennedy akompra kwa Japan ana de owura boy na champion ana Dr. Laji Maundu Baumia ana Dr. Edutwim ana engineer Kobeje Japan hona enum no bia moto ababa ne bia NDC candidate wadun be bia usande oye President John Dramani Mahama ne braso ana ne bra na oridi odi yi wi 9 docholo mbebio nti motibelen NDC samanyeku with the candidate for na wadana baba teniye nti candidate for wadana baba on tum na candidate 5 and people walk out to abamenda nti honorable Ebo Saba non koma anepe oda tuga na way to oye delegating ya for there munia ya tubido oya asomdwe boko ya yebida oya asomdwe boko enya man na yarba ya enti woman ya nya asomyi na de no de denu MPP amanyeku no wedi nkunyim ase maka ndada nti mo ahwe ho haya o de manyi hu bi de woto ba ombra na ase boko no nya asomdwe no buwie na hwara MPP amanyeku na ahwala ukita flag wayendam na hwa kuria na wo batena ifie kurum wo batena epono kono ho wo bata chance kono ho no wedidi no wan wa efe wa ebusia wa cheda we ebusia nti yabada owura Ebo Saba yabada na ase wo afuta oda me delegate na yebefi on delegate erboto abemate ni yem kan kirawo so yafo yaw ma ebo ho ma ye de awon kuti ni nyim sign language na afo ni kwamna me catch your plane ka de fiada abanpo eluntu obi yes mpoche ni wufie na ko police station hoda kom na maye ne da na kwato waba any sign language enyi bia anya sese unchiche my friend ye na echi wo ansa na bo police station wo na mama kamfo maw iti ho agwe kete we want to na she prison yes ne counterback na ebi so wo na mbede wa Sunday jaw ho amebi di ni sika kete amebi di ban amebi di nsa amebi di ade bi asebe mfaso nyu ho odadadaw mo weyi mo ekuwiayin teme nda ba na okoto ye delegate na okoto bia no pay center focus ya ka kire de mo nwanda ho na at the end of the day no ibi ni papa na epi adwuma man teniye ibi ni papa na epi adwuma man nansa na obi finka ne baban na awala won we twa sa kodadaw aka the prison onyimu mpo na onyimu nti eri ye bibiara sadwa na aka infante pem oni slogan dwen na hwakan na yama onya asomdwe boko ama the piafo free bu wuro mebu wuro bosom foforo no mu na enyije na npp amanye ko no wedi nkoyim ebuso mo mfo no nsi na se ye Cape Coast ha na ye de hwe finfi manto ye de hwe oye Ghana nkotimpa aja wo for rehabilitation center oye dzere pa de bi nye bi na so ekodemaka onye na ekonye sabuchi membe bi a onye na so Ghana hade dema rehabilitation center terem ibi nya ha na nkokunpo ibi wa ampa tere wala abati anabokọ no na dema bi ntidam na Africa Footprint Foundation na wanye Africa Footprint International waka bo me de se yehwe inje sabuchi me mo kodo de bi yera embra obaye manye de dunkote no no mobatapo de bi se yeba kan ipokon na obanen fa ne stroke ana de yerba ọma yin paro wo so ana da ye bebia obechi de san bia no inye edu no nkoti no onum konum a obetapo joboshe odi ye boshe modna so bite ni na omode sen tapo na nche sonte de ma ncha da ni bible we efi David na so na ohene ya me David ni senku ogba na ohene atapo David ni senku na ogba onya agbo senku ni pe na ohene ne ye benya akọ dame na oti na Africa Footprint Foundation awo Cape Coast ha owura oya Addison odano no wodi medu senku bi we gbe rehabilitation center wo Cape Coast ha na ugbe djumeti na no ana ugbe ahye na no yenye owura Addison na bon komo senti pote be pa no wodi the rehabilitation center wodi bobo ade ebuso ye kwhwe nkomo twetwen na embassy a.
My name is Samuel Kweku Addison, and I started African Footprint International in Cape Coast, Ghana. And with that, we traveled a lot to different countries. Right now, I'm residing in Denmark. Because of that, I started Footprint Foundation also in Denmark. And for the same purpose like what we were doing in Cape Coast. And the aim was that the foundation could support the international in Ghana. So it's a kind of a support wing. But in Denmark, everything is independent, sort of. So that's why the other one is foundation and this one is international. Yeah, actually, if you look at me well, you will see that I shake a bit. It's because I have Parkinson. And having Parkinson in Ghana was difficult because we don't have the equipment to diagnose fast, to see that this is this. So I got the opportunity to be diagnosed in Denmark. So from there, I got to know that there might be a lot of people who are also suffering like I am, stroke and other related diseases. So why don't we Footprint bring rehabilitation center in Ghana so people can benefit from it? That could serve as our contribution to the community. So we started looking for the equipment, and the one who is leading African Footprint International in Denmark is a co-chairman with me. And she actually helped us to get all the instruments, the equipment, and she sought for money to enable this takeoff. When I started it, I started the idea. The idea was that Footprint, we are doing music and dance. So through music and dance, we should be able to achieve every goal that we want or need to. So we were going to use the physiotherapist exercise and then run it through the dance moves that we do. So we convert kind of the physiotherapy exercise into a dance. And then when people dance it, then they dance into health. That was the idea that I got. So you can see Footprint is a musical group, but physiotherapy, why is it here? That's the connection, that we can dance into good health. The equipment are in Tema. We have paid for all the duties, but we need to tow it down here, and we hope it will come very soon. It could be tomorrow. I would say that anybody who is suffering from Parkinson's, when I started the idea for the rehabilitation center, I said that anybody suffering from Parkinson's will access it fully. And those who have stroke and other things. But those who have good health and would like to train to maintain or sustain their energy or whatever, then they could contribute to sustain the whole project. But I have been working in Denmark in the health and care department, and because of that, I have been able to understand what they need, and I use music and dance to reach them. And I got to know that the dementia respond very much to music. At least it helps them to get their condition better. And African music is more organic. So when you play, people get closer to it. And then it moves people to dance, because it is, we do it with, like the way we play it, you have to dance automatically.
It's Radisson. Na oye bia. Narankasa orebre wo oye dame yarba no hono. Tuno ye de. Odin susu ma podu gwa akonem. Na da ma hweye obubu en wa Ghana ha. Nti na ono ne ye bo oye no Parkinson. Ebi awoso. Nti orekesa nua ni hu de body ni shake. And me hu bi da. So nobody knows she be ne drimpo na enzen or kasa shaking voice. Ni na ya da mo ya ba ni bi. Enti ebusiafo oye eyeje sam kase no wa bogwe ha. Usana dodo na igu edenima. Wo da mo ho ni bi stroke. Na dam Parkinson ya ba no wo bi a wo hia da wo bokodam center ho. Rehabilitation center na chi wotum na wode enyom na asaw kakakra woda asaw yarba. Nti owura Addison ode ya mano do ya den tapakanum ya bona ba do papa ado mara onye Denmark abrofo waye na Denmark High Commissioner wa Ghana ha ode nyamba tag medinachi na o meta ase de Ghana no Denmark anyankofan oyoniado oye yankompo oyonia nti no obokodara wa aboa na wa abobo de bibi otedem so wode rehabilitation center no ube no wa enyum na asaw no bo kodo wa Addison Square na mom infre wode be yaduma no wode bo Cape Coast Teaching Hospital amasaba so wi a na akoso na mpande anade individual de won sakabia no unsa akaka no na owura oye Jacob Linoff na so onu no oye Denmark ambassador no so ya intwetwe nkomo nsama okay.
So Denmark and Ghana, my country and your country, we have been very good friends and allies internationally for many years. And I think today's launch of a new rehabilitation center here in Cape Coast is a very good example of that. So we work on so many areas together. We share the same values on democracy, on a world order based on rules. We share a vision of a more sustainable planet where we take care of the environment for our future generations. So these are some of the things that we work on together. We are also very mindful of the people who are less fortunate, including if you have different kinds of diseases. So we in Denmark we suffer a lot from depression, from loneliness. And one of the impressive features of this collaboration is that Ghanaian musicians, they go to Denmark and they perform their wonderful Ghanaian music for people who are lonely, for people who are elderly in Denmark. And immediately when they listen to the Ghanaian music, they start smiling, they start being more happy. So we can say that Ghanaians, they bring happiness to Denmark. And what we can give is that in this project we provide some knowledge about how to, if people are sick, we can provide physiotherapy, as we call it. And that also involves some equipment, some gym equipment. And we have been quite happy that a Danish funded program here with the African Footprints has been able to supply some of those kinds of equipment. So there are actually quite a few things. So this center in Green Hills in Cape Coast, it is already now a center for cultural exchange between Denmark and Ghana. So today we have seen more than 20 young students coming out here. We have seen this group of young physiotherapy students who will stay here for several weeks to help educate and train locals who can then use the facilities here for local people in Cape Coast and neighboring area who suffer from different kinds of lifestyle diseases. So I hope the center here will be available for that. And then we also have Danish musicians who work with Ghanaian musicians. So we have this musical twist to healthcare where the happiness that comes from music also transfers to the happiness of our minds. I think you can say that, yeah, actually I agree to that. And what you can say is at least that when people interact, maybe we can dance, we can eat together, we can sing together, or we can do all kinds of things together. The main thing is that we do it together instead of fight among each other, right?
It's a right, Jacob Oya Linoff. Jacob Linoff. Also, no, yeah, Denmark. Yeah, and MC or Ghana, which is Denmark ambassador. Now, quite careful pay now, order Footprint International, no, or Denmark, or the member take with nature. Now, Meche Ura, and now Ura ye Majid Maureen Stone. Yeah, Mrs. Majid Maureen Stone, or the name member teach you the national command. My
name is May Morgensterne and I'm from Denmark. I'm in the board of African Footprint Foundation in Denmark. African Footprint Foundation is working with bridging. We are bridging culture and health, but we're also bridging between Denmark and Ghana. So we learn from each other and we inspire each other. And especially the health issues in Denmark, one of the biggest health issues is people feeling loneliness, but also people need rehabilitation, especially we have patients with Parkinson's and we have patients with dementia and other sort of muscular problems. So we get inspired from the traditional dance and the way you move, because that will motivate people and it will create connectiveness. And this project is a collaboration between African Footprint Foundation and African Footprint International. So we have a partnership agreement, and we had donated a lot of training equipment. So we have bikes, we have treadmills, we have pull-ups, we have a lot of training equipment coming. So we will set up a rehabilitation center, and we will inspire and work together about rehabilitation for people with functional, Actually, training and movement is medicine. For people with Parkinson and people with dementia, movement is medicine. But you need to be inspired to move, and you need to do it together, and you need to connect to someone, because that's also quality of life. So the music will help you move, and for Parkinson's people, it's also about like doing the right movements, so getting your arms and your legs to move through the rhythm. So it's nice and it makes people happy. They could be expecting to come and get more advice. I mean, in Denmark we have 1,600 physiotherapists and we're about 5.3 million people. Here in Ghana, you only get educated 60 physiotherapists a year, and you're 44 million people. So it's really difficult for them to get awareness about how they can train. So this project will create awareness. We will go out with some pop-ups in the villages and other places in Cape Coast and tell about it. And then people can come forward to this clinic and also to our collaboration with the teaching hospital and UCC and get advices. So we have the students here, but we also collaborate with physiotherapists in Ghana. So we work together and we inspire each other and we will build up capacity.
Mrs. Madge Maureen Stone. Mrs. Madge Maureen Stone. Ono na ode oya kwanchefu penda Footprint International no. Na onam do oya rehabilitation center nti adusuafa wo finjesi abochima na Denmark be no. Won so yon bon ko senti pote wudi echiri bai woroboshen. Denmark oya Denmark ambassador Kenu. Chere dan na ha yenwom ina yana nche na yebon na asawon anupo or exercise na ono na ma nkofo na akomoto munye ma wudi won na yersa nti oya physician student iwraba na so ofi in Denmark bay ye ne bonko na senti party a odi echiri bay ye hwe ne so no sama okay debi.
So my name is Thea. I'm a physiotherapy student, and especially the music for example, dementia people. They don't remember so well as the two of us, and we've seen in practice that it helps these people to come up and get moving and just do basic stuff every day. Just come up and move their body. When every time we turn on the music, whether it's at home or here at the clinic, then we see more movement, more activeness with these people. And it doesn't matter if it's dementia or Parkinson, it's everybody. They are motivated to move when they hear the music and the dance. And sometimes it doesn't feel like it's a workout or training when you have to dance, because you can dance whenever you want. There's no like certain way to do it. It's all about what you want. It can be any music, whatever they like. It can be if they are very into 80s music, it can be that. It can be Ghanaian music. It can be anything that they like. Just that they can move their feet and they can just dance while sitting down or standing. It doesn't matter. You can do it. I would definitely say just give it a try, because if you don't try, you never know how it's gonna end. So give it a try and dance a little bit. Yeah.
Eti aya Mrs. Tia Hansen onena excellent kan Denmark student physiotherapy student na wa bagana da olusia na obusia ne Ghana han oboboa onam Africa Footprint Foundation one rehabilitation center west no Cape Coast ano ono na odemnyam bete echi ebusia yemfo no sinsi na yada oye Mr. Addison yada na se yebedinda mo nkomo no bibi oba na mo mebe ne yaye be ntimanka fade obaka atena na pod krabie na waka aha yanka famfamro emo menda yan wombra yes yenya boafo won krato yeba yede obaka atena na pod no so that's yomudo yankwam na sisi a
Mido, Ghana Biana. I'm going to be able to do everything. I'm going to say, baby, shit. Mangashi.
Junior! I'm saying so enough for maybe the no.
Sister Cospa, it's a gas.
I'm using the why. Why?
Down Yankanawa.
Ah, Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. Wow.
LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I got
some more kwaba transfer mbra Coastal Television no de geta near 514 channel 54 you go to Facebook live YouTube share live every center focus ye the obaka tena pod na pod abakansa no pay na ye de bosomu na yemfa daily graphic mfa nhyase daily graphic honorable akompra kon ejapon ne fan ne dem as my job creation record puts me ahead Evisia manke na nya be papa nti ne fayi na oda daily graphic no so one government takes over illegal acquired state land hey on the ya shakwa land and natural resource minister ina other minister that to go wo oye daily graphic aso na so o say energy reforms na wa mahinsika by 15 billion US dollars us no blackout in 10 months nti energy minister Jinapo no fayi no that's one nti no blackout 10 months musumudu no blackout nti oneno junior graphic da assembly aba ebusia ohia papa us intensify fight against galamsey mafaman kakame bi na warkan wasam galamsey no wasam galamsey inde mafama wakan wasam na wanka da bi ahon na warba ba bayem payfu toro waka Jebusajina graphic man pay or the bayin. Daily Times the work at any day in Fayin Quell a being bassa and none in num. No Fayin dorsal. Now so name summon a day. You come maybe. Electoral Commission in a GAAM. What threaten a day? Or the book in Yasim Dibia. Abada Oil Sweden. One election. You cancellation of by election. On a Pakona threaten there. Or the Electoral Commission. Or the book a Kejina Assem Dibia. GNAG. No one saw what is a DVL for when I from there. Sabaya. One more na one shema oya hospital project. Until na onkwado no so one fayin na our solo one. Na TCDA we roll out oya 85 officers. That mobile improve oya set standard what disciplining. No so no moon some need to work at the Daily Times or the Abadi. The new trust the work at the so or the Abba na new trust or ben fein obey basan na assembly the 15 when na oreka da masemi owura asansu buachi na saman de o wie pe yakra the MPP amanyeku will repeat and now will retain Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia for 2028 election. No best candidate. Debi. Oh, we pay the mana and pay the new trust or the aba the worker 10 or the 15. So we na or the Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia number 3 order or the 15 bam. Na Dr. Educhum na so or Kasimi. Also, no to believe election day pushing Dr. Educhum will declare ahead of MPP elections. The memenda above Kwakoto do now be the Mukuim. Nti Numun Sama and the pay no so or the abate. Now, sworn us the MPP presidential primaries no market woman no one so waji why endorse Honorable Kennedy Akumpra Japan. Eti the new trust no beno Educhum. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and then Dr. Dichum Madasi, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and Honorable Akumpra Japan. No Sirufin and order as one market woman no endorse no pa there. You do to co. Na new trust Nasro no or the Damkala Quinshia Afia Bassanu Kwanu 2,949 Kala Quinsham Cotin. Or then one summer by the Bakat and Yabikana, Java Bakoro. It was saying quite a Bakat the Daily Searchlight. Daily Searchlight Abba. Teachers should protect their mental health. Especially being a worker. Daily Searchlight, no sure one. Also, a church of whom protect Sadua. On the mental health. No here pa. Oh here pa. No probably will protect it. Na ja what you how could you hear teacher for we don't protect one mental health. Oh here pa. Nti asawo way. OSP na no so o say onye Attorney General na Obama said fact reset with Attorney General and say ja bobo special prosecutor no Attorney General nta wala da munko fe bi ni sisiale bi hu se woruko se wolbo ebu so me enko de boka tefufrum the inside be no energy minister no fayin dem ora gabi ochirida ko no fayin dem o say gabi ochirida ko no more kan the current government performance has been good so far. Oh, ora gabi ochirida ko hey Asami, the new, the insight. You musum na ma. Gabi Ochidako. No one sama obey Gabi Ochidako. Only former president. Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. No fasipa. Inti se ti there Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo na government na member no or family and friends Gabi Ochidako kan. Odu baby na ho no wutu president fo. Ahụ na wakada one year president in year watcher mon sign ntinde say Gabi Ochidako rekan wo oye the inside oboka team there. This current government performance has been good so far until I hope there obo continue ye na da mi ase ye na da mi ase na for the Castro Further Castro no sunu fe ni do also finally when ya reflection nti no so ma obeying minority no wa vote of oversight experiment resumes work. Yes, although me would have minority, although me would have no jad among the man can get in away. The parliament to resume next week. Resume February, neighborhood minority. On Abra Bonum. Ebusha Mayanko, the source. The worker tenado. The source. As about me best to lead. As I should watch it. No fein na other one. But we is MVP strongest 2020 choice, Jinapo. Gold board killer. No so the fein or that one. We are semi infinu fein. Also gold board and Bower Rock. No so ask for all your details. We will reject certificate of what? Agency bills. It's a minority for Mbesebogum, Adunkuma or Wasamin. Also reject all your certificate of urgency billing. Reject. Now the question is, I want to see we a micro minority. And it's a reject to, KOFI, Obaye. Ayo, Yabosha wa Mbeshebugu Mobisi. It was the national voice, the Boka Tana Bugadu and the pay. Now, national voice, Oban also about mere poise for victory. Hallelujah. It's a different that should want to find the fin. Also, significant shift in MPP delegate performance flowing, finally run off campaign. Supreme Court will dismiss OSP, maybe to join suit, challenging its powers. Wapa Supreme Court will reject wapa cry wapa. Ebushame be na yabe na daily analyst mamufo no muwie mamufo no wie owo atachia no fein do Dr. like bamu do ba o me no fein do mo owo atachia our culture delegate who upper west achime there. One word Dr. like Mount Bamia for other the sacrifices. If you wanna Baba Jama, also my service needed more in Ayawasu East than Nigeria. Hey, Baba Jama. Well, Baba Jama, also no services we hear wo Ayawasu East than Nigeria. Do not appointment of that man Nigerian. What period da Ayawasu? Ayo. oh ebusa be na ya be ite mfansi na ebusa mfansi na mama nko ebusa mesawa mama fa the chronicle do bakate no IGP tanu mo bia oye do de kan asem ne bo so bado no IGP promotes officers who rejected 20,000 US dollars, $20,000 US dollars bribe. IGP wa bodam police funa were rejected 20,000 US dollars. Were rejected no IGP wa bo hona bado. Yes. Madasapa. The chronicle. Don't police fun IGP wa bo hona bado. Sikan no guan ebushafu sikan no guan nampo de brabo no cry no fayi no das one no fayi no other one na dem police pay free na dem police free na were rejected sikana no che yes ampa indeed police ejuma doesn't farmwork yes police ejuma doesn't farmwork ibi nkafo no koke no nkotan na mba wuska na ngina enya na magangran ti ebe da GP asepa wa no mara wetu ebe se president John Dramani Mahama obomo be yombem na nkofo promotion na woda mo numpo wonye bibi mfa mo ho sanda de misika na wore jeti no onye sika bo obi anya bi acho obi at least no flat in the sabaka mo fa kwesi prat baka cho de o bon kwantewa na dase ye be to bia o bon kwantewa na so wore jeti de miskani na nta GP de wasira bodum kwofo abado ebusua maso manda waside nya be na da general hwam wa central focus Coastal Television and president bi nkoma Diesel gift shop asire mi nkoma King Queen restaurant and pub asire mi nkoma King of the Universe asire mi nkoma NPA asire mi nkoma oye fingerlink fast food and catering services ejmeku na da wo mu so masen me ya be na adagire modern seminar no medabra asire popore fama oye eje and pay wa abodwuma sesha na mabegina camera koba awe ya be na adagire we da wase bebe ebe from kitikeku ASORBA KOFI ESSUMAN no pay momo acho